Hello, this is Michael Pine with truDigital Signage. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I'm going to share with you all about 60 seconds of safety and what that is and how it can help you and how you can get started. So 60 seconds of safety provides quick, bite-sized, hand-drawn safety videos to reinforce a safe work environment. Now, there's a large variety of videos that you can select from in order to increase the safety culture in your workplace. And all you need to do to get started is contact a truDigital rep, and for a small additional add-on, they'll be able to include all of the safety videos into your truDigital account. Now, once the videos have been added to your account, you'll simply go to your truDigital account and go into the template library and scroll down until you find the 60 seconds of safety integration. Go ahead and click on it and click install. From there, you'll be able to go ahead and click on the template once more and go ahead and click Edit. And then you can click Edit Template up at the top. And then you'll click this block here in the middle. Now you have your media library right here, and you'll simply click this drop-down menu and select 60 seconds of safety. And then you'll see all of the various safety videos that are available to you. Now, if I wanted to include one in my video playlist, I simply drag and drop it from the right to the left, and then I'll go ahead and click Save. And now I'll go ahead and click Save Changes, and I'll actually see a preview of what it looks like.
If you intend to conduct work involving a single or extension ladder,
and now I can go ahead and click back.
Inspect the ladder and ensure it is safe. Conduct a risk assessment of the.
And from here, I will click Edit under my live playlist. And now I'll drag and drop my integration from the right to the left. And now I'll go ahead and click Save. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions about how to add the 60 seconds of safety videos to your truDigital account, please give a truDigital rep a call or send them an email and let us know, and we're more than happy to help you out and answer any questions and get that set up for you. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.